Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites and then begin. Open Google Maps and tap your profile icon. Make sure you are signed in. Sync settings if needed. Once done, choose settings from the menu and look for the display or theme section, sometimes under navigation settings. If you're on Android versus iPhone, the labels differ slightly, but the path is the same. Settings right arrow display / navigation, right arrow theme. This gets you to the first actionable controls quickly, without extra steps. Now you decide how the map appears. You'll see options, light, dark, or default, which follows system theme. Choose one. For driving, open navigation settings to set a separate in-drive map theme and adjust night brightness. Tap each option to preview it on screen. Maps applies changes immediately so you can confirm visibility. If you use scheduled dark mode, set the schedule here. Make sure to test a short route to validate contrast and readability before moving on. Finish by saving any adjustable settings and returning to the main map view to confirm the new theme. If the appearance fails to update, close and reopen the app. That often resolves lingering UI issues. If options are missing, clear the app cache or update Google Maps from the store. Finally, make sure your device's system theme isn't forcing dark mode that can override Maps' default setting. If problems persist, sign out and back in. This refreshes account-linked preferences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.